Mistplay is generally the faster choice for redeeming Amazon gift cards, because rewards are earned directly through mobile gameplay, while Long Game uses a broader reward system that doesn't focus exclusively on game-based earnings. By the end of this video, you'll know which app usually gets Amazon rewards into your hands faster, what affects redemption speed, and which one makes more sense for your earning style. The short answer is Mistplay. If your goal is earning Amazon gift cards by playing games on your phone, it's usually the more efficient option. Mistplay is built around one activity. You install recommended games, play them, earn reward units, and exchange those rewards for gift cards when you've reached an eligible redemption amount. Because the entire platform is designed around mobile gaming rewards, the earning process is straightforward. Long Game works differently. Rather than focusing only on playing games for rewards, it combines financial features with opportunities to earn rewards through activities inside the app. That broader approach means earning Amazon rewards isn't always as direct as it is with Mistplay. Redemption speed depends on two separate factors. The first is how quickly you earn enough rewards. The second is how long the platform takes to process your redemption request after you submit it. Even if two apps process rewards at similar speeds, the one that lets you reach the redemption threshold sooner usually feels much faster. Another factor is game availability. Mistplay regularly updates its catalog of supported games, and your earning opportunities depend on which titles are available for your account. Playing games with active reward opportunities helps you reach redemption sooner than splitting your time across low reward offers. Neither app guarantees instant rewards. Processing times can vary depending on account verification, reward demand, and other routine security checks. If you're using either platform for the first time, expect occasional verification before rewards are delivered. If Amazon gift cards are your primary goal, stay consistent with one platform instead of switching between several reward apps every few days. Concentrating your activity makes it easier to reach the required redemption level without spreading your progress too thin. So which app redeems faster to Amazon? For most users focused on mobile gaming rewards, Mistplay is the better choice because its earning system is designed specifically around that goal. Long Game can still provide value, but Amazon gift cards usually aren't its main advantage. The key points are simple. Mistplay is generally the faster route to Amazon gift cards through gameplay. Long Game offers a broader rewards experience instead of a gaming-first model. And your earning habits affect redemption speed just as much as the app itself. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.